Abby, come here. Abby, did you see your little sister? Yes, you love your puppy. Well, she's going back to the door. You want to try and drink a little? Are you thirsty? Good. One-handed. Good girl. I think you're getting some. Good girl, Em. Way to go. That's a heavy water bottle. Good girl, Em. You're learning how to drink. You get it. That's it. Yay! It's a toy and a drink. Here, let's see if we do this. Does that help? Oh, good girl. Oh my goodness. Yeah! Good drinking though, all by yourself with the big cup. You're doing great. Alright, kiddo, let's go for our walk. We'll take Abby out. Oh, coffee, coffee. Yay, Emily. Okay, we'll go get Abby and we'll go for a walk. Bye-bye. You're a good girl. Bye-bye.